Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100. This is going to work for all variants of this model, so you might have a different case, a different shape or color. It doesn't matter, it is going to work. Also, the tutorial will work for other Casio G-Shock models as well. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So the first thing that you want to do is press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to see the digital display change, so you are going to see the time zone, the local time zone city that you have, and you are going to also hear a small beep. Now we are going to press the mode button in order to toggle between different options. Here we have the time, so you have the option to set the time. I'm going to go past that, and the first thing that we can set when it comes to the date is the year. So we are going to use the two buttons on the right to either advance, so you are going to press the start button in order to advance, or you are going to press the light button in order to go backwards. I'm going to leave it at 2024. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can actually select the month. You can press the button and go one by one, or you can also press and hold any of the two buttons, and you are going to toggle faster between the months or the day of the month. Now let's make it December and the 24th of December. So I'm going to press the mode button once again in order to select the day of the month. Here I'm going to press and hold the light button, so I'm going to go backwards, as you can see, once again very fast. And I'm going to make it the 24. Now we have the year set, the month, and the day of the month, and Casio will automatically calculate the day of the week for you. So if you have done everything correctly, press the adjust button, and as you can see, this arrow here on the left, so this small watch hand, has already adjusted, and it tells us that it is going to be Tuesday. So guys, that is how you set the date on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100. If you want to watch other tutorials regarding this model, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to a playlist with a lot of features and options regarding this model. Once again guys, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.